Hello there, and this is the third video solution to one of the DI sets from sample questions this time. Okay, so sample questions was one of the first document released by the consortium in early 2020, and here is the question stem, and here are the questions. Okay, there are three questions attached to it. If I can show you, yeah, the eighth one and the ninth one. There are three questions attached to it. Let's get started. It says that at their wedding, Riz and Rekha received gifts amounting to a total of rupees 1000, total of rupees 1 lakh, some of which was in cash. And let's give a quick reading to it. Some of which was in cash and the rest was in the form of other articles. Okay. The cash received by them alone amounted to more than rupees 35,000. It says more than 35,000. All the cash received by them were by way of currency notes of the denomination of rupees 2000, 500, and 200. When all the cash they received was pooled together, there were 10 notes of a certain denomination, 12 notes of a second denomination, and 16 notes of a third denomination. Riz and Rekha decided to spend an amount equal to the total value of the gifts received by them at their wedding in the ratio of 2:3 on buying a guitar and a sitar respectively. So as you can see, this question again, in fact, all the three questions that we have done till now are based on core mathematical concepts, right? If you do not know them, it would be really difficult to solve them in the paper. Okay, and one more thing, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि सिर्फ you only have to identify the information or derive the information from the whatever graphs and all and pie charts and all, but that is not correct. Sometimes you also have to, sometimes nahi, बहुत के बार you directly have to churn out pieces of information from these texts such as these. Okay, what is it saying? Let us look at it. Riz and Rekha received gifts amounting to a total of rupees 1 lakh. Okay, in their wedding they received some gifts, the total of which is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, and the cash received by them alone amounted to more than rupees 35,000. ठीक है, more than 35,000. We need to keep this in mind. All the cash received by them were by way of currency notes of the denominations rupees 2000, 500, and 200. Okay, 10 notes of a certain denomination, 12 notes of a certain second denomination, and 16 notes of a third denomination. ठीक है, 10 notes या तो इन दोनों में से मतलब x के होंगे प्लस 10 notes, no, 12 notes from a second denomination y and 16 notes from a third denomination. And what should be their sum? It should be the total amount of cash they received, which was more than 35,000 rupees. Okay, equal to, yeah, in fact not equal to, more than, just more than 35,000 rupees. Okay, ठीक है. Question क्या बोल रहा है? Which of the options below states the correct number of currency notes of each denomination received by Riz and Rekha? Now see, it is fairly easy to do. Okay, ये सीधा ऑप्शन से ही कर सकते हो. बेसिकली हमें इसका सम मोर देन 35,000 चाहिए. जिसका भी सम मोर देन 35,000 हो, दैट वुड बी आवर आंसर. ओके, 16 to 32,000 एंड ये 12 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 5, ये तो हो ही गया आंसर, राइट? क्योंकि ये 6,000 38,000 हो जाएगा. लेट्स सी दिस, 12 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 24,000 एंड 24,000 प्लस 5,000 29,000 प्लस 3,200. 35 से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. 10 नोट से तो और कम हो गया, 12 से ही नहीं हो रहा तो 10 से कहाँ से होगा? ये देखते हैं, क्योंकि 24,000 24 के 16 8 के एंड 10 2 के कितना हो गया? 32 एंड 2 34. अगेन नॉट पॉसिबल. सिंपली आंसर ए है. इसमें आपको ज़्यादा टाइम देने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. एम आई करेक्ट? राइट. Let's get to the next question. Question number 8. It says that what percentage of the total value of gifts received by Riz and Rekha was by way of cash? Simply 35% ही ऑप्शन होना चाहिए because 35 है क्या? Let's see, नहीं 40%. Because ये जो sum है ना, this sum is actually 40k. 32k 2000 के नोट से आ गए. ओके 6k यानी 38k 500 के नोट से 6k आ गए. इसके नोट 200 के नोट से 2k आ गए. एंड हियर 32k 32 and 6 48 and 2 sorry 32 and 6 38 and 2 is 40. okay simple question, आंसर बहुत जल्दी आ गया. राइट, let's get to another question, last question of this set. Now this one says that ये actually last वाले information पे based होगा. Which of the following represents the correct amounts spent by Riz and Rekha on buying the guitar and the sitar? Okay, let's quickly do this as well. Let me first lock the zoom value. Which of the following represents the correct amounts spent by Riz and Rekha on buying the guitar and sitar? It is again fairly simple. 2:3 के रेशियो में उन्होंने अपने टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ गिफ्ट्स को स्पेंड किया था बाय वे ऑफ कैश एंड अदरवाइज. मतलब ये अमाउंट. एंड 1 लाख का 2:3 इज 40,000 and 60,000. राइट. बी, बस ये ध्यान रखना कि इधर ऑप्शन नहीं दिया है, लेकिन कई बार ऑप्शन ऐसा हो सकता है 40,000 ऑन द सितार एंड 60,000 ऑन द गिटार, विच मीन्स आपकी ये गलत हो सकती है. ओके, दिस इज द ओनली थिंग दैट यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड. And yeah, we are done with this question or this set. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.